Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Google Chrome has received an update overnight in my region. And as always, to check we have this latest point release, we head up to our main menu, Help, About Google Chrome. Latest version and build of the update is being applied is 151.0.7922.75 or 76. Either or on that point release running Windows, Mac and Linux means your browser is fully patched and up to date. Now, although the browser has received an update, once again, Google hasn't updated the changelog. There's nothing available as to any information as to what the update includes, and this does seem to be becoming the norm rather than the exception. And I would strongly suggest that this is our weekly security patch because it falls in line with the release cycle and cadence of our weekly security update for the browser. Now, a possible reason why there is no information provided is because there could be a 0-day that's been exploited or a couple of critical vulnerabilities where Google doesn't want that information getting into the wrong hands before most browsers have been patched. So that could be a possibility. So if you are using Google Chrome, just check it's up to date sooner than later because it is your first line of defense to the online world. And this also means now that we will see the other Chromium-based web browsers like Brave, Edge, and Vivaldi getting the same security patch rolling out throughout the rest in the course of this week. And I have had a quick look around the browser. I'm not noticing anything else that the update has introduced as yet. And obviously, as always, when the information becomes available regarding this update, if there's anything major that's different to what I've mentioned in this video, obviously I'll repost and keep you guys in the loop. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.